Pouring concrete has never been easier with the S45 Tiltrotator Concrete Pouring Bucket. So what are the benefits of using a concrete pouring bucket? Concrete pouring buckets are often used on sites with very little access or boggy ground where you're unable to get a concrete truck on site. So you can fill up your Excavator Concrete Pouring Bucket with concrete and then pour the foundations that you're looking to pour. Concrete pouring buckets don't actually just have to be used for concrete. We often have customers that use these to pour pea shingle into trenches for drainage. Sourcing a concrete pump for your site can be very costly and also can be hard to get hold of. So with the concrete pouring bucket, you have just one upfront cost of your attachment and you can use it across multiple sites, fill up the bucket and pour your foundations just with one simple movement. Pairing a Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket with your S45 Tiltrotator will make you even more versatile, being able to twist and tilt and pour into those hard to get areas with your pouring bucket. So reaching those awkward and hard to get places on your foundations to pour that concrete has never been made easier than now. So what are the key features of Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket? We come with a machine fitment guarantee, so they are designed to fit seamlessly with your S45 Tiltrotator. The S45 range is designed to fit on excavators from 5 to 9 tonne, and we design our buckets to fit with all tiltrotators in the market: Engcon and Steelwrist, Rotator, Knox and many others out there. So the weight of a Rhinox S45 Concrete Pouring Bucket is 225 kilos and it has a capacity of 350 litres or 0.35 metres cubed. As with all Rhinox buckets in attachment, there is a data plate in between the hangers of the bucket. This will give your capacity, the weight, the serial number and all information you need to know about this particular product. With this being an attachment you'd pour very dense material into, we'd always advise operator discretion when using this attachment to make sure there's no unsafe circumstances on your site. Another key feature of a Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket is the rounded chute on the front. This is a lot better than a square chute. It allows for more accurate and directional flow of concrete or any other pea shingle or aggregates you're looking to pour into narrow and small trenches on your site. This increased accuracy reduces the amount of waste and overflow of material. To complement the rounded chute on our concrete pouring buckets, there is an adjustable gate on the front of the pouring bucket. This can be changed to 3 different settings. You've got your reduced flow, a moderate pour, and then if you want to, you can remove the gate completely. It gives you a full flow of material from the bucket. The Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket is very simple to maintain. It just requires a clean after every use to get rid of any material or concrete that could harden up and affect the capacity or wear and tear of your bucket. Would you like to order a Rhinox S45 Concrete Pouring Bucket? Contact us today. Give us a call, drop us an email or go and visit our website to order one of these for yourself. Do you want to know more about our Tiltrotator bucket and attachment range? Click here to see more. And as always, please give us a thumbs up, follow us for more videos in the future. And operational... What was that? Or dense material into... I don't know why, but I was looking at that box. I'll redo that.